Welcome to ATP Customs. If you like what you've been watching, please subscribe and hit the like button so I can keep bringing you lots more videos of all my awesome projects I have waiting to get in here. I have approximately 40 of my own. I have a lot of customer builds coming in still. Plus I have a lot of people want their vehicles featured on the channel now. So it seems to be going well. But for now, I just want to show you my 12-inch Superlift is on the ground and it is sitting level. When I did order this kit, I thought, oh, it'll be no problem, just slap it in, everything will be fine. But it sat 3 inches too low, as I said in my other video. So my solution was I had to get rid of those blocks and go to a much bigger block. I think that was a 5.5 inch. These were approximately 2.5. So there it is. I had to go to much bigger blocks. I had to have new U-bolts bent so that this thing would sit proper. Sucks that doesn't come like that in the kit, but is what it is. Everything else fit fine except for the rear bushings. I actually put every single bushing in a caliper and not one single bushing was the same diameter. The front bushings were a completely different kit. They fit beautifully and perfect, but that was the only issues I encountered. Aside from all the shocks showing up scratched because their packaging wasn't that great. But I do have all my shocks in. I'm just doing singles in the rear for now because when I take the entire body off, then I'll strip the frame down again, do all the frame up, probably make some dual shock mounts in the back. As I have duals in the front now, they are all together. There you go, super easy. I'll do a quick review after this of the Pro Comp dual shock mount for square body Chevys. But thank you for watching. I absolutely love doing this. Next I get to cut the body lift out because all the bolts broke on me. That's awesome, but it's gotta be done. So next time I do another video, it should have the body lift in and it will have 15 inches of lift and 45-inch tires the way I wanted. Thank you for watching.